Hello, hi everyone. Today I am sharing a delicious and healthy recipe bitter gourd fry with sesame seeds. Kakarkaya vepudu. Even if you don't like this bitter gourd, this crispy and flavorful recipe will change your mind. The addition of sesame seeds gives rich nutty taste and reduces bitterness. This dish is perfect with hot rice and dal. How to prepare? So first, what are the ingredients? Sesame seeds, onion, green chilies, garlic, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, tamarind pulp, oil and jaggery. How to prepare this? First slice bitter gourd and remove seeds. Add salts and turmeric and rest for 15 minutes. Then squeeze out bitterness. Roast sesame seeds. Fry onion, garlic, chilies. Add bitter gourd and cook till crispy. Mix spices and crushed sesame seeds. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.